Hello friends, this is Sunetra Rane, Staff and Welfare Inspector from Personnel Department of Pune Division, Central Railway. This session is designed to give you an overview of Personnel Department roles and responsibilities in Indian Railway. Personnel Department plays an essential role in developing and handling employee-centric activities of the organization. It is also responsible for maintaining harmonious industrial relation by continuously interacting with the unions. Further, it also looks after employee-centric welfare schemes of Indian Railway. The following presentation gives you an overview of Personnel Department in short. A very vital function of Personnel Department is recruitment, which includes 1. Placing of indents through RRC and RRB, 2. Maintaining recruitment rosters, 3. Appointments through various avenues like RRB or RRC, or compassionate ground appointment, or sports quota, or scout and guide. Other important routine function carried out by Personnel Department is salary management, which includes payment of wages, payment of PLB, payment of overtime, and payment of other allowances. Along with this, the department also carries out promotions and transfer, which mainly includes maintenance of rosters, suitability, and selection and transfer matters. The Personnel Department also regulates the NPS cell, National Pension Scheme cell, which includes opening of new pension account, withdrawal and settlement. Another crucial function of Personnel Department is D&AR and prevention of sexual harassment at workplace. In this, annually awareness programs are organized on POSH, and also internal complaints committee meetings are conducted and regulated regularly. One of the most indispensable role of Personnel Department is welfare, under which various functions are carried out. 1. Staff and benefit fund, 2. Compassionate ground appointment, 3. Grievance cell, 4. Conduction of union election, 5. Conduction of various awareness program, 6. National Day celebration, 7. Deployment of medical decategorized staff. Staff benefit fund under welfare includes scholarship for technical and professional courses, 2. Special education allowance for girl or male child, 3. Women empowerment, 4. Children or employee camp or study tours, 5. Reimbursement of artificial limb, 6. Assistance to schooling wards of deceased employee, 7. Cash award on passing SSC, HSC, graduation or master's degree, 8. Distress fund, 9th maintenance grant, 10th cost of spectacle, 11th cost of dentures, 12th homeopathy or Ayurvedic dispensaries, 13th financial assistance to special child, 14th family planning after second daughter, etc. Various other functions are also included under staff benefit fund. The Personnel Department has a key role in maintaining harmonious relation between administration and union through various machineries like PNM, Payment Meeting, PREM, JCM. Personnel Department also oversees implementation of labor regulation through various acts like Employee Compensation Act, Payment of Wages Act, Minimum Wages Act, Industrial Dispute Act, Trade Union Act, HOER, and Contract Labor Act, and various other acts. The department also plays a role in promotion of various schemes launched by government and Railway Board like Umeed, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana and other various schemes related to government. One of the essential function of personal department is settlement, wherein the department carries out payment of settlement, pension adalat, revision of pension, issuance of RELHS card. The video gives you a rough idea of various functions of personal department. Stay tuned with Pune Division Personal Department for further in-depth videos on each of these topics. Thank you.